Oh yeah, of course. She like lick everything, so don't.
Actually, I'm scared. Hi, baby. Hi.
She like lick everything. So if
I have Shih Tzu.
yeah, if you
What's her name?
Yeah.
Nobby.
Nopi. Hi,
Yeah, yeah.
Nopi. Hi, baby. Oh my god.
Oh my God! Don't lie down. Oh, you have a really beautiful hair.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Her personality is like this way.
Oh yeah, I know. I have Shih Tzu. And he's also the same. Oh my baby. Oh, you sure know.
You want to hug? You can.
Yeah? Seriously?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, thank you. Hi, baby. I know. I'm not leaving him. Oh my god.
Her personality really good. Where are you come from?
We're from India.
You're from India.
I'm from India, from China.
China. Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
what's her name?
Erin.
Erin.
How about you?
Mehnaz.
Mahanas.
Yeah.
Oh, you
Tricky name.
you guys look so like a movie star.
Oh,
Really pretty.
movie stars.
Yeah, yeah.
Can I hold him?
Yeah, yeah, you can. She's very clean.
Oh, I know.
She like lick everything, so be careful. Be careful the dog kiss.
Oh my baby, so cute. I'm actually scared. He wants to come to you because his legs are, just like this. He literally wants to come to you. Okay. Calm down, baby. Calm down.
It's really hard to calm down, you know. When she meets a new person, she always like this way.
Energy, and they are like different.
Yeah, yeah, full of energy.
Just stand, and he will just come to you and just stand here.
Yeah. No worries.
I forgot name.
Nobby.
Nopi. Hi, Nopi. Hi, baby. Oh God.
Oh. She really like you.
Oh no.
Oh my gosh.
I really want to, meet him daily. It's hard, right?
Yeah. Hard to go outside every day because after that we'll have a shower.
Really? When you
Yeah.
come here?
She like sleep with me every
Actually,
day.
mine also. He used to sleep with me on my chest.
Yeah, same.
Where do you stay?
Apartment that's nearby. Yeah.
Actually, she wants a cuddle or like this. Because mine also, goes like this, and he just want to rub her body.
Yeah.
Nobby.
Nappy.
Hi,
Hi, baby.
Nobby. Hi.
She's just deciding.
Oh
like this. Just.
No worries. Don't be scared.
She now wants you to, like this.
Oh, God.
I baby.
So cute. Are so cute?
Oh,
She know what you're talking about, you know.
Ooh, she gets
Yeah. And also like shake hand, and also like feed food. You put food in front of her and say stay. She will stay.
Nobby.
You see? Stay.
Nobby, stay. Stay. Oh, my
Nobby,
God.
sit.
Nobby, sit.
Sit.
Sit
Nobby, sit.
Actually, mostly
without food,
Yeah,
not listening. Yeah. Oh my God.
God, I will love this Nobby.
Nobby.
Why you met us today? Actually, I love her so cute. I really want to meet her daily.
Bring happy to you,
Do
right?
you love us? Do you love us?
So much. See the way she is there. She loves us a lot.
She already tell you the answer.
Yeah, this is the way they treat us.
Yeah.
Do you love us, Nobby? We love you. We love you.
We love you a lot, baby doll. Don't get messy here now. You have to wake up. Get up. Get up, baby. Germs will be on your body then.
Now Mama has to take a shower for you. See?
Now
So much work to do now.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, enjoy your day.
Bye, Nobi.
Bye.
Bye, Navi.
See you next time.